Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to create this animation with using After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first one, let's create new solid layer. Add name background, click OK. And go to FS presses, search effect gradient ramp. Use gradient ramp, use for background layer. And go to start color, let's open color and choose color green. And click OK. Go to end color and choose green and OK. So in this time, let's swap colors and ramp scatter 100% and select background, Ctrl D for duplicate, change name grid and delete gradient ramp. Go to FS presses, search effect grid and use grid for layer. And size form, choose width slider and change width like this. And border, let's write here 2. Okay, so in this time, select these buff layers, click this icon for turn on 3D layers. If you not see this part, you can click toggle switch mods. Go to render engine, you can choose here, or if you use older versions, you can right click composition settings, 3D render, and choose render engine default classic 3D. Click OK. So in this time, select this background and let's turn off 3D layer and lock layer. And select this grid, press R, open rotation and change X rotation 90. And move it down. So in this time, let's create new camera tool, right click, new and camera. And I will use presets 50mm, click OK. So select camera 1, right click, go to camera and create orbital for control movements. And for move to anchor point center, hold Ctrl, double click pen behind icon. And clickation tool and go to FS presses, search effect CC reptile and use reptile full layer grid. And go to settings, let's write expand down 10,000 and expand left 2,000 and expand right also 2,000. So in this time, select this null object and press P. Let's create new passing keyframe and go to 6 seconds and change Z axis to like these camera movements. And select keyframes, make it easy, or click F9. Let's preview animation. Let's select this null and go to back, hold shape, press R, open rotation. In this time, let's create Z rotation keyframe. Go to here and right here 1. And select rotation keyframes, make it easy, and preview animation. Okay, so select rotation keyframes, go to graph editor and select this graph, make animation like this. Also select this position graph and make smooth animation. And change quality for now quarter, preview animation. Okay, so for hide this part, select this grid and go to expand up. Let's write here 2000. Nice. Okay, so back to keyframes. Let's close settings and back to characters. Select this first character. Let's copy, go to main and Ctrl V for paste. And click for turn to 3D layer. Let's see. Okay, press P. We can move to back and move to right and move to up. And preview animation. Okay, and let's click search name for see only these numbers. Back to composition, choose layer 1. Let's copy, back to main, Ctrl V for paste, turn on 3D layer, move to right, and move to back with Z axis. Let's see. Okay, and back to characters, choose character 2. Let's copy and paste here click 3D layer and press P. Let's move to back. Okay, so select this null object, press U and choose rotation keyframe. Let's move to right. And this move to right. Okay, that's good. And select this character. Let's move to left. And select last position keyframe. Let's move to like this for more. Like this. Okay, pretty good. So in this time, back to and choose this main character. Let's copy, go to main, Control V, move to up, and click 3D layer, press P, and move to back, and move to center. Let's see. Okay, nice. So let's close these settings and go to layer, new, create new null object. Hold Control, move to anchor point center, click selection tool and click for turn on 3D layer. Choose camera null. Let's link to null 4. Select null 4 and let's see. And press P. Let's create new position keyframe. Go to last second and move to back like this. And move to center. And select this character. Let's move to front and move to left. Select these two position keyframes. Make it easy. Let's see. Nice. So let's back to project and import new Photoshop layers. And let's open composition and select these all of them layers. Let's copy back to main and Control V for paste here and click for turn on 3D layer. Okay, let's go to first second and select these layers, hide for now. Select this layer 3, let's enable and let's see. Okay, we can press P, move to center and down and move to back and enable layer 4. Press P, move to back and move to down like this. And in this time select layer 2, let's enable, press P and move to back, move to center and change scale. Okay, and select layer 10, let's enable, press P, move to back like this and move to here. And again another one, select layer 9, enable, press P, move to back and move to Z axis. Okay, and again layer 8, let's enable, press P, move to back, change scale and move to like this here. And layer 7, let's enable, press P, move to back like this, change scale. Okay, also layer 6, let's enable last 3 layers, press P and move to back and change scales like this and select this. Let's move to left here and this move to here and this. Preview animation. Okay, not bad. And we can hide this layer to left. In this time, let's select these layers and duplicates for more. These cubes, let's move to up like this. Okay, let's preview. Nice. Let's move to left again this and select this main character, and let's right click, go to compensation, pre-comps, and don't change any settings, choose leave all attributes in main, click OK, and let's see. Okay, and let's go to FS presets, search FX CC balls, select the CC ball action, let's use fall layer. And for scatter, let's hold Alt, open scatter. Let's right here wiggle 1, 7. Preview animation. Let's back to main compensation. Nice. So in this time, let's go to FS presets, search FX glow, and let's use glow for these layers and change glow settings. And let's copy glow, choose all these layers and Ctrl V. Nice. In this time, let's choose this character and press S, change scale, and move to down. And this change scale, move to like this. Let's see. Okay. So guys, for final, let's go to project and choose Breaking Bad logo. Let's drag and drop compensation and move to up. And click turn on 3D layer, press P, and move to back like this, and hide for now. Select this main character, let's move to right. And let's enable logo, press S, change scale, and move to left. And let's see timing. Okay, let's press T, open opacity, change opacity 0. Create opacity keyframe and go to here, write 100%. Move to right and make it keyframes easy and choose work area. Let's see. Okay, select keyframes, move to right. In this time, let's use glow for logo and change glow settings like this. Okay, and here let's create glow keyframe and go to some settings, change glow like this, go to again fav keyframes, change graph like this, and go to last second, change again value like this, and preview animation. Okay, so press U for open keyframes and move to right. For slowly effects and select all keyframes, make it easy. Okay, that's good. Also, let's choose dust and screen. Click import and choose dust. Let's drag and drop compensation here and turn off audio. Press S, change scale, and click toggle switch mods. Go to mod and add. Okay, nice. And select this screen. Let's drag and drop compensation, turn off audio, and press S, change scale, and choose mod add. So guys, thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like video, leave comments, and have a good days. Good luck.